In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Sea of Thieves with friends on Steam and Xbox. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to do crossplay on Sea of Thieves and play with your friends regardless of which consoles or platforms you guys are on. First, when the person who is playing on Steam opens the game for the first time, they will get a prompt on screen that allows them to set up an Xbox Live account. This is crucial to do crossplay and play with your friends on Steam and Xbox. This process will have to be done by the person playing on Steam, because the person on Xbox will already have an Xbox profile or account set up. So if your friend who is playing on Steam does not have a Microsoft or Xbox account, they will have to go through the process to set it up when they first open up the game. Alternatively, if you close down the game and you press Windows plus G at the same time, you will be able to access the Xbox Game Bar or Xbox Overlay and set up and link a Microsoft account to a Steam account from there. Regardless of which option you pick, either by doing it when you first launch Sea of Thieves or by pressing Windows and G and using the Xbox Game Bar, as long as the Steam person has an account set up, they will be able to add the person who is playing on Xbox by using their gamer tag. This can be the actual Xbox console, or if they're playing through Xbox Live through a computer. Anyways, after both of you are connected on your Xbox friends list, all you have to do to play Sea of Thieves with friends on Steam and Xbox is to open the game, and you will have the option to invite a friend to your crew. Usually this is done by pressing 1 when you are on your computer. This will bring up the Xbox friends list that you have, and you can select and invite your friend after you've added them using your gamer tag. When both of you are on the same party, just set sail and you will be able to play together. If you encounter any issues while trying to do this, make sure that crossplay is enabled, that your friend can accept other platform invites, and that both of you have the Microsoft account set up. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Sea of Thieves with friends on Steam and Xbox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.